So one of the types of effects that you can use inside of HitFilm is the Posterize effect. So to do that, I'm going to go around under the effects tab right here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and scroll down under the Stylize section. Once I do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and find Posterize. So I'm just going to go around and click and drag out the Posterize onto this particular clip right here, and this is what you have. As you can see, you get the Posterize effect applied onto this particular clip. So if I were to go around and then change around the smooth source right here, then what happens is that it blurs out the source image, as you can see right here, and makes it more like a poster. So you can go around and choose a value as you like right here. Then you can go around and choose around the colors per channel right here and decrease the amount of color to make it look more like a poster, and increase it out to increase up the details as well. Let me just go around and change around the certain range of Posterize here, and then I'm going to go around and change the colors per channel as well. And apart from that, I'm going to go around and change out the smoothness as well. So you can increase and decrease out the smoothness so that it looks more like a poster as well. You can go around and preserve out the chroma right here. That means it can be more colorful right here, or you can go around and make it more close to how it is in the original footage. So you can increase and decrease this. Then you can see that you got the phase right here, which allows you to change out the range right here, just like this. Apart from that, you can also go around and change around the saturation. So you can make it more saturated right here so that it looks more like a poster, as you can see, or decrease it and change out the blacks right here of the particular poster, or make change out the whites as well. And then this is the final result, as you can see right here. The overall footage looks more like a poster. So that is how you can utilize out the Posterize effect inside of HitFilm. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe